Click on the link below to get price. The Sunex 6614 Air Hydraulic Floor Jack is an impressive piece of equipment that stands out in the realm of heavy-duty lift tools. With a robust 10-ton capacity, it is designed for both professional and DIY enthusiasts who require a reliable and efficient solution for lifting heavy loads. The dual methods of operation, air and manual hydraulic, offer flexibility that is hard to match. One of the most notable features of the Sunex 6614 is its powerful air-operated hydraulic system, which allows for quick lifting and lowering of vehicles or heavy objects. When using the pneumatic function, it significantly reduces the time and effort required to lift heavy loads compared to traditional manual jacks. It seamlessly integrates with existing air compressors, making it an excellent addition to any workshop. The build quality of this floor jack is commendable, featuring a durable steel construction that can withstand the rigors of regular use. The jack has a low-profile design, which enables it to fit under most vehicles, making it suitable for a variety of applications, from automotive work to heavy machinery. The included rubber saddle pad ensures a secure grip, preventing any damage to the vehicle while providing stability during lifting. Moreover, the jack is equipped with a safety release valve, ensuring that the user can control the descent of the load safely. The large wheels and swivel casters allow for easy maneuverability, making it simple to position the jack exactly where it's needed. However, it's worth noting that the air function requires a compressor with a minimum CFM rating for optimal performance, which might not be ideal for casual users without access to professional-grade air tools. In summary, the Sunex 6614 Air Hydraulic Floor Jack excels in performance, versatility, and build quality. It is an indispensable tool for those who regularly work with heavy loads, providing both efficiency and safety in the lifting process. With its combination of air and manual operation, it truly caters to a wide range of lifting needs.